Have you ever had a PDF file with a few pages that were outdated or incorrect? Instead of creating a new PDF from scratch, you can simply replace those pages with updated ones. Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to replace pages in a PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. It's quick and easy even if you have never edited a PDF before. Let's get started. To replace a page, go to the page menu at the top. Now select the page or pages you want to replace. Once selected, click on the Replace button here. You'll see a window asking you to choose a PDF file. Click Browse and pick the PDF file with the page you would like to replace. Confirm the pages to replace and replacement pages. Now click OK, and just like that, the selected pages in your original PDF are now replaced with the new page. Also, you can click and drag to change the order of the pages. Make sure to save the file. And that's it. Here's the original PDF. And here's the PDF where we have replaced the page. So that's how easy it is to replace pages in a PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If there's any issue, just write it in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.